Hi kids, it's Gigi and Papa.
Hi there.
And today we are going to make some homemade bread pudding. So I have 4 just regular French toast bagels. I cut these up about 2 hours ago, so they're really dry.
Just in squares.
Yep, just in little 1-inch squares. I have 5 eggs. And I have 1.5 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to add about a good tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Measure with love, with your heart. And some vanilla extract. This is the exact same thing that I do when I make French toast. So this is just kind of a little bit condensed version of it. Get all this mixed up good. Okay, so now I have about just a hair over 2 cups of milk. Just using regular whole milk. And we'll get everybody in the pool, get everybody happy. Just mixed up well.
We hope everyone's having an awesome day today and staying nice and warm and
Yes. Have power.
have power, and hope everyone has a great week. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.
Touch
A
my
little bit
cinnamon.
more cinnamon. McCormick cinnamon.
McCormick's.
Yep. And Gigi has the oven preheated to 350 degrees.
I do. And so I'm going to take this, I'm going to pour this over the bagels.
Yep.
This in there. There we go.
Alrighty. So mix this up really
So this
good.
up. So what you want to make sure that you have enough liquid to cover
Your bread.
your bread. You can use bagels, you can use French bread, you can use white bread, brown bread, oat bread, hot dog buns.
Wheat bread, any bread you have extra. Yep. Beautiful.
Okay, so I have everything mixed up. I did end up adding an extra 1/2 cup of milk.
Between 1/4 and 1/2 cup, yeah. Just make sure that everything is good. And
I want everything to get
Covered.
moist and covered. So we're gonna pour this in a buttered casserole dish. This is actually a Guy Fieri pan, and I love it. I got it as a gift, and I really, really do like it.
that's good. Yep. Get everything leveled off there.
You want to get everybody.
Sweet.
Everybody wants
Now,
a
how
drink.
long will this cook, Gigi?
This will cook between 45 and 60 minutes, depending on your oven, depending on how different breads act differently. And so I'm gonna
So
check
you'll
it.
check it after about, what, 40 minutes, 35, 40
I'll
minutes?
start checking that at 40 minutes, and I'll
Good.
give you guys an exact. Last time I made this at a different oven, so I know it took right at
It's the
50
difference
minutes.
between gas and electric, for sure.
Yes, yes, and we have electric here, so.
Yep.
So everything.
And we'll check back as soon as this is done. This is going in the oven at 350 degrees. See you soon, thanks. Well, we just got it put in the oven. Now we pulled it right back out because Gigi forgot.
The butter.
Yep.
Stick
And we
of butter.
have to use butter with everything that we make.
So
She melted a stick of butter to put on
Okay.
top.
we're just
Look
gonna
at that.
pour
Yep.
that
Mix that in there.
and swim over the top of it.
Yep.
Now it's going back in the oven, kids, for at least 45 minutes.
Absolutely. We'll see y'all shortly.
Hi, kids. Okay, so the bread pudding is almost done. So I have a 1/2 stick of butter, cold butter, and I'm just gonna put in a couple of
Brown sugar chunks.
chunks of brown sugar. I like to keep my brown sugar in the freezer.
Yep.
Then I have here 1/3 cup. I'm gonna put evaporated milk.
Yep.
We're gonna make us like a caramel type
Sauce to
sauce.
go on the bread pudding.
It's gonna be
Yes.
yummy, yummy, yummy.
Be delicious. And she's putting a little,
Splash of vanilla.
some more vanilla,
And
a little bit of salt, very little.
touch of salt.
Yep, and she's gonna mix this all together. Looking good.
Looks on the money.
Here it comes. And there it is, bread pudding.
And off camera, about 20 minutes ago, I had a little bit of sugar and cinnamon mixed together. So I went ahead and just put that over the top of it. Look, delicious.
Looks delicious. Very hot.
No good.
So she's got this, and she has our little caramel sauce, or actually brown sugar and butter.
You don't thicken up though like a caramel.
That's beautiful.
Okay, so we just let this boil for about 2 minutes, and this will thicken. Put this in a pretty mug until after dinner, and then we'll have a nice little caramel sauce to go over the bread pudding.
Awesome. Thank y'all very, very much. We'll show you the finished product when we're ready to serve it.
Hi kids, this is the finished product. The bread pudding with the homemade caramel sauce and some lovely vanilla ice cream. Hope that y'all are having a nice, warm, cozy evening. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, y'all.